Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be all about my practice hand that I ordered off of Amazon. It came in this really cute pink box and it has a little sticker on there that says thank you. So I'm going to use my box cutter to open that up. I've been wanting a silicone practice hand for such a long time, but they've always just been so expensive, like just way too expensive. And so I was really happy to finally find one that was a reasonable price, and it came with some free goodies. So I got some tips and I also got some charms. I'm not sure if I'll use these though, honestly, but we'll see. You never know. And it also came with this little table mount, and it's so cute and little. This is what it looks like. It has like a little suction cup at the bottom, so this should be able to stick to most table surfaces. I'm gonna test it out and see, but this is what it's looking like. It's a pretty good size. And finally, here is the practice hand, and I also got this like this brochure. And it's got the company's contact information. There are some maintenance tips for like how to clean the silicone. And then there's also like a catalog for all of their other hands that they have. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just showing you guys, the brochure. And then of course it has like, the steps on how to use it and everything like that. So now that I've got all of that out the way, I can finally get into the whole point of the video, which is the silicone hand. So this is how they have it packaged, and I think they packaged it really nice. It comes in this large organza bag, and I hope I'm saying that word right. I always wonder if I'm pronouncing it properly. I'm not sure. But now the fingers do look kind of like, crazy. They like bent funny, but this is flexible. I guess there's a wire inside the silicone, so you're able to bend it any way that you like. And so now I'm just straightening all the fingers out, just, to make it look more presentable. And I just can't get over how realistic this silicone hand is. Like the details are crazy. And so you see like this little black ball at the back of the hand, so that's where you're gonna put the mount. And this is me trying to figure out how to work it, and I didn't push it all the way in like I was supposed to, which is why it didn't work. So you gotta put that part in first, and then you gotta push down until you hear a snap, and then you twist the cap on. Hopefully that made sense. And then right here, I tried to stick it to the table, but I completely forgot that I had to remove the plastic. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is kind of embarrassing, and I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, but it's like whenever I get a new item, like I get something in the mail that I've just been like anticipating forever, like whenever I finally get it, it's like all my common sense goes out the window, because like I start messing with it, and then it's like the instructions is right there, and a lot of it is common sense, but it's just like it goes out the window because I'm just so blinded by my excitement. So I just start doing stupid stuff, like it's really embarrassing. I don't know, let me know if I'm the only one that does that. But yeah, so I'm trying to see if I can get it to mount to my nail table, and it works, but it is you can't put too much pressure on it, and that's only because I'm actually using a tile slab that I got from Menards. I put it on top of my nail table. Don't ask me why. It was $3, and I just wanted a new background. It's easier to clean, so that's why I did it. But yeah, if you have glass or maybe like a smooth surface, it'll definitely stick, and you probably won't have any problems. But the tile is textured, and so I'm honestly really impressed that it even sticks to begin with. So it works for me. But this is me just kind of showing off the hand, just trying to show you the detail. It just looks so good. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I finally have it. And so this is my practice finger, and see, that's what I'm talking about. Like, why did I do that? I was trying to see if I could stick the finger in the mount, and it's just, I'm telling you, like, it's like I get new stuff and I'm slow instantly. So since I've been messing with the silicone hand, it's got some lint on it. So the way I get it off is I roll up some regular like packing tape, and I roll it up on the sticky side, and I just kind of roll it all over the hand, and I just get all the lint off, kind of like a lint roller. So if you have a lint roller, you could just use that. And I'm also showing you guys all of the cute little rings that I got off of AliExpress. I knew I was gonna get this practice hand, and of course I needed to have, you know, some rings to like make the pictures look cute whenever I have her model all of my press-on nails. So I went ahead and purchased the rings. Like, I got these rings 2 months ago. I'm the type of person, if I know I'm about to get something and I can add accessories to it, I'm gonna always get the accessories first. And that might be kind of stupid because, you know, anything can happen. I could change my mind or, you know, whatever. But I've always been like that. Like, when I knew that I was gonna get my first iPhone, I got all of the phone cases that I wanted before I got the actual iPhone. I don't know why I'm like this. Am I the only one that does that? I can't be the only one that does that. Definitely let me know in the comments if you can relate to my craziness. So right here, I am just trying to figure out where I want the rings to go. Just trying to get her together, you know. And I'm also going to have to come up with a name for sis. Like, what am I going to call her? I am not good with coming up with names at all. You guys are going to have to give me some ideas down in the comment section. But I plan on using her to model my press-on nails, especially when I'm doing like nail art for like, you know, brands, when I'm doing like reviews on new gel polishes and stuff like that. A lot of the times they like for me to do like a nail art design, and they would prefer for me to model the design on my hands. But it's really hard for me to do that because I keep my nails done, and unless it's time for me to like take my nails off, I'm not taking them off, you know. Like, I'm not about to cause unnecessary damage to my fingernails or take off a fresh set, like a perfectly good set, you know, just to like, no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I just can't do it. So I was like, yeah, I definitely got to get like a really good silicone hand. And so I'm so happy about my purchase. It looks really good. It's really realistic. I can put it in different poses. The only thing is, I do think I'm gonna go to the art store and get some pigments, and I'm probably gonna like darken up the knuckles and like around the cuticle area just to make it more lifelike. Like, don't get me wrong, the silicone is super detailed, but I feel like adding in a little bit more color in those areas would really bring it to life. So now I'm adding the tips to the silicone hand. So I'm using my extra long coffin tips, and I just want to see how far the nail can go in the actual silicone finger. And as you can see, it goes in pretty far. Again, this is an extra long tip, and that's how far it goes in. And I'm actually going to pull these out just to make it longer because I want to take a cute thumbnail picture. And also, you know, since I'm using this as a model, I just wanted to see how it would look with all of the nails in place. Now for the details of my purchase, like I said, I got it off of Amazon. At the time of purchase, it was $34, and after taxes, I paid $37. I'll have it linked in the description box below. There were 4 different skin tones available. I got the darkest shade available, which is a number 5. And I know that that's kind of weird because, like I said, it was 4 shades. So basically the way they had it numbered, it was 1, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why that's on them. But I got the number 5, and honestly, it's a little lighter than it was in the picture. I thought that it was gonna be darker, because honestly, this looks like the number 4 skin tone, and I know I ordered a number 5, but it's okay. I still really like it. Now, the only downside I will say to silicone is that it does pick up a lot of lint, so you definitely have to watch that. But that is it for today's video, you guys. Let me know your thoughts about it down in the comment section below. I'm so excited to finally have my silicone hand. I can't wait to take pictures and do lots of videos with it. So if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.